CMTS has been great for us. We get to meet our Canadian customers that we haven't seen in a while, and it's really nice to see how they're doing.
And CMTS has been a great year so far. There's been a great turnout, a lot of customers we've seen, a lot of customers that we haven't seen over the last couple of years.
We're happy to be at CMTS, back to doing the trade show routine, and it's been a good show so far. Very busy, and we're looking forward to the rest of the show.